Using AWS Amplify Subdomain setup is an effective way to host and manage web applications on the Amazon Web Services platform. This tutorial will guide you through the benefits and steps of setting up a subdomain with AWS Amplify. First, let's understand what AWS Amplify is. AWS Amplify is a development platform that helps you build, deploy, and manage scalable mobile and web applications. It provides a suite of tools and services that simplify the process of building cloud-connected applications. One of the key features of AWS Amplify is its ability to host web applications on a custom domain or subdomain. This is particularly useful for businesses and organizations that want to provide a seamless user experience for their customers. So why use AWS Amplify Subdomain Setup? There are several benefits to using a subdomain setup with AWS Amplify. For one, it allows you to host multiple applications on a single domain, making it easier to manage and maintain your web presence. It also provides an additional layer of security, as each subdomain can have its own set of access controls and permissions. To set up a subdomain with AWS Amplify, you will need to create a new domain in the AWS Amplify console. You can do this by navigating to the Domains section and clicking on the Create Domain button. From there, you can enter your domain name and select the certificate that you want to use. Once you have created your domain, you can create a new subdomain by navigating to the Subdomains section and clicking on the Create Subdomain button. You can then enter the name of your subdomain and select the application that you want to host on that subdomain. Best practices for using AWS Amplify Subdomain Setup include using a consistent naming convention for your subdomains, and ensuring that each subdomain has its own set of access controls and permissions. It's also a good idea to use a wildcard certificate to secure all of your subdomains. In conclusion, using AWS Amplify Subdomain Setup is a great way to host and manage web applications on the Amazon Web Services platform. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can create a custom domain or subdomain and start hosting your web applications in no time. Remember to follow best practices, such as using a consistent naming convention and securing each subdomain with its own set of access controls and permissions.